Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are using blue color and now we draw and coloring the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mangoes. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for penguin. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T for tiger, T for teacher. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Subscribe to our channel. V for van, V for vanilla. The next one is W. Now we coloring the alphabet of X. The next one is Y and the last one is Z. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.